Toop.com is one of the first telecoms businesses to be set up specifically for the small business market in an online first environment. The first provider ever to launch free business broadband to small businesses for the complete life of their contract. On our customer journey, as soon as the customer puts in his telephone number and or his postcode, our IP platform, Merlin, talks instantaneously in milliseconds to find out which is the best network for the customer. So we put the customer first, but the carriers love this approach because for the carriers, having a business like Toop in the market means it's a low cost of acquisition for customers for them. And the benefit from a Toop perspective, and I think this is really important if you're thinking of investing in Toop, is because we're a highly automated business, we can scale really fast. But in scaling fast, that doesn't mean putting headcount into the business and increasing your overhead significantly. Free broadband, people will think it's a real challenge. How do you make money out of free? But in the UK market, in order to deliver free broadband for the small business, you need an underlying line to deliver the broadband over. So customers get free unlimited broadband for the life of their contract, and their line rental is £17.50 a month. And we make really good margin on that. It's a great margin product, as is business mobile. So mobiles that have launched on the website, we make great margin on that. And as is the hosted cloud-based telephony that comes and gets delivered in September, we make great margin on that as well. The really interesting discovery of the first full 2 months of being in the market is that customers are signing up and buying, and what they're doing is they're really testing this new brand that's unknown to them. But really excitingly, many customers have had their business broadband installed, have had their first bill, and have said, we're really excited about this, we're really happy. And what they're doing is they're phoning back up and they're ordering more products. So we've got repeat purchases, which tells us that the user experience is really right. Additionally, what we're seeing is a growth in the weekly figures week on week. So we can see a huge trend on an upward momentum on customer sign up. Week on week, it's growing exponentially. And we're really excited about that as well. Toop.com, I believe, is a great investment. It is a business that will be low in overheads. It has the ability to scale. The customers that come on board get a great user experience, so it will outperform the market in churn. It will be a high gross margin business, and is today a high gross margin business with low overheads, making it a really attractive net profit proposition, returning, good strong EBIT, and then returning great cash generation. But also, this is the start of the journey. There are 5.5 million small businesses out there, and 49% of them are owned by BT. So we know through the traction that we've got since launch that customers are signing up, we have a place in the market, and our challenge now is to grow that market share to enhance the revenue, the EBIT, and the cash generation, which a highly automated business can do.